How to use multiple accounts in Roblox mobile. So let's see. First open Play Store, search here Roblox apps, which we normally use Roblox apps. Install this, then open again Play Store, search here clone app, open clone app, create clone, agree, search Roblox, then add this, give name, then clone this. Here you can see app is create clone successfully. In this way you can clone one or more apps. Now you can use multiple Roblox account.